James, she doesn't want to talk to you.
911, what's your emergency?
He's trying to lock. I'm sorry, he's trying the door. No, don't answer the dad.
Get off my porch!
On July 31st, 2022, an ordinary summer morning in Sydney, Ohio, turned into a nightmare. An obsessed ex-boyfriend arrived at the doorstep of his former girlfriend, determined to see her one last time. But what happened next was captured in chilling detail, by a Ring doorbell camera and by police body cams. This is the story of how a father was forced to take a life to save his daughter.
Stop it, Allie. Boys, in the house.
James, no.
Just after 11 a.m., 22-year-old Allison Dukro and her mother returned from breakfast. But before they could step inside, an unfamiliar car pulled into their driveway. The man who got out wasn't a stranger, it was Allison's ex, James Rail, also 22.
James, no.
James stood silently, ignoring the plea. For 3 long minutes, he lingered on the porch. Then, without a word, he walked away. The family might have thought the danger was gone. They were wrong.
Wait. He's leaving. Hey. He's coming back. Nope, I'm calling. James, she doesn't want to talk to you.
Get off my porch! James, no. Get off my porch! Get my gun!
James circled the house, disappearing from view. Moments later, he came back, his behavior more aggressive.
911, what's your emergency?
There's some guy on my front porch, and he won't leave, and he's got his hands behind his back, and he won't answer me on the ring.
Okay.
But he left me a voicemail on my phone last night.
Where are you at? What's your address?
2907 North Cooper Road. He's trying to lock. I'm sorry, he's trying the door. Dad. No, don't answer the dad.
Get off my porch!
Dad, no! Oh my fucking God, can you please hurry?
Okay, do you know who he is? Hello? Ma'am?
Hey, we have guns.
43.
Inside, Allison dialed 911. Her voice trembled as she described the man trying to force his way inside. The dispatcher tried to calm her down, but the fear in her voice told the real story. Time was running out.
James, no.
The pounding grew louder. The doorframe began to crack. Behind the door, Allison's father, Mitch Dukro, took his position. With his daughter screaming and his wife in danger, Mitch grabbed his firearm. He was now the last line of defense.
43. Responding to 2907 North Cooper Road, male subject attempting to gain entry into the residence. Still getting further.
Please hurry, I'm sorry.
Ma'am?
Yeah?
What's going on?
He broke through the door and my dad shot at him.
Ma'am, he shot at him?
Yes.
Do we know where he is?
No.
3 shots rang out. James staggered, fell onto the driveway, and collapsed. His feet were all the camera could see. Inside, the family was in shock.
7 North PG Road, male subject attempting to gain entry into the residence. Still getting further.
Please hurry, I'm sorry.
Ma'am?
Yeah?
What's going on?
He broke through the door and my dad shot at him.
Ma'am, he shot at him?
Yes.
Do we know where he is?
No. Where is
This information. Male subject broke through the door. There's been a shot fired. Still getting further.
For Allison, the horror of nearly being attacked turned instantly into gratitude. Her father had done what he had to do, protect his family.
And the guy was just basically protect himself.
We're right here.
Okay, you guys have your gun down?
Yeah, we're right here.
This guy just died. I was over here next door and I heard these gunshots going off. So they told me
You
what
guys,
was going on.
can the guy with the gun, can he come out here, leave the gun inside?
Yeah.
Come in here so we can talk to him, okay?
I'm sorry, that door is busted.
It's okay,
I
it's
didn't
okay.
really call. I seen him take a few breaths there a little bit ago, and then he quit. So I think he died.
Within minutes, Sydney police arrived. Their bodycams captured the chaos, the fear, the confusion, and the cold reality of what had just happened.
Comfort each other, keep each other calm, work together.
What should I do if I get going to pass out?
Just stay sitting down. If you want to lay on your back and just kind of stay flat, just that way if you do.
Mitch admitted it instantly. He didn't deny, he didn't hide, he simply told the truth. He fired 3 times when James forced entry.
It's something that, he's still breathing, but barely. Man, stop staring at this man, bro. Go tell Jenny real quick. Let her know what's going on.
Officers and paramedics tried to revive James, but it was too late. After struggling to breathe for several minutes, James was pronounced dead at the scene. Detectives began their investigation. 3 shell casings were recovered from the entryway, confirming Mitch's statement. The door showed visible signs of forced entry. This was no misunderstanding. James had tried to break in.
James.
And did you call him James? Does he go by James?
Yeah, that's his legal name, yeah.
Okay, is that what he goes by?
Yeah, I'm pretty positive.
Okay. What time did he send you a voicemail?
11:30 or 11:40 last night.
Last night?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because he had called me prior and I didn't answer because I'm not getting into it.
Allison revealed that James had been controlling and emotionally abusive. After their final breakup years earlier, she cut off contact. Then, the night before the shooting, James left a voicemail.
Hi, Allie. It's James. I just wanted to reach out to you because I just wanted to see how you're doing and maybe hear from you if that would be all right, I guess. It's been a while since I've talked to you. And
the message was calm, almost pleading. But it carried an ominous weight. Hours later, James would be at her doorstep, forcing the door open. Investigators also learned James had a history of drug use, particularly LSD. Whether his actions that morning were fueled by drugs, desperation, or obsession, no one can say. What's clear is that he made a choice that left Mitch no other option. The case was presented to a grand jury. After reviewing the evidence, they declined to indict Mitch Dukro. Under Ohio's Castle Doctrine, homeowners are legally justified in using deadly force against intruders. Mitch's actions were ruled self-defense. This case leaves behind painful lessons. A daughter who will forever remember her father's bravery. A father who lives with the burden of taking a life to protect his child. And a young man whose obsession led him down a fatal path.
Dad, you're the best dad ever. You just saved my life. Dad, At that rate, there's nothing you could have done. You saved my life.
Through the unblinking eye of a Ring camera and the raw honesty of police body cams, we see a story that is not just about crime, but about survival, family, and the desperate choices made in moments of fear. For Allison, July 31st will always be the day her father saved her life.